Hello everyone, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to another content. In this content, I'm going to share with you a fantastic topic. The topic name is why you can't speak English. Can you imagine this? Why you can't fluent English? Because English is not your mother tongue. Your mother tongue is Bengali. That's why you are able to speak English like 24 or 7 days in Bengali, but not English. If you want to speak English, you must have practice. Because as a nation, as a South Asian or Bengali, so how can you overcome your this kind of problem? Today's video, I'm going to share with you a very fantastic topic. That topic is how to overcome your mother tongue, and you will be able to English play 24/7 as a fluent English speaker. So if you want to learn English, you can watch my full video, and I strongly believe this. You'll be able to like 24/7 days in English speaking English. So this time for this started. Step 1. Even English is not my first language, English is my second language. But I can speak in English like 24 or 7 days. Why I achieve this skill? If you want to know what method I have been following, this video is for you. Step 1. Back in 2022, the time I think I want to learn English, or I want to become the greatest communication speaker in our country, but yet now I'm not the greatest communication speaker. What I'm trying, it's called trying method and trying process. Inshallah, one day I will achieve my goal. The time I think English is an international language, that's why it's very demandable. If I can this language learn, then I will be able all access like international, globally, communicate with globally, like transcend careers of purpose business, every side. I will be gain my goal. That's why I am practicing English. The time I'm just captioning like Facebook caption, Instagram caption, Twitter caption, Facebook chat, everywhere I try to use English, not Bengali. At time people are laughing me with see my English practice. They're laughing. But I never give up. I'm trying my best right now also. I have trying my best, or I was trying my best that time. After a few months later, my English writing is improving. Success doesn't overnight. Success takes time. It's not success, but you say it's a success for my learning growth. The time I am writing like note, like caption, like any English topics, 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 1 page or 2 pages, I can write easily. That time I think writing English is not enough. I also tried to speak English. Firstly, I heard a lot of podcasts, watching movies, like English commentary, sports commentary, like USA podcast, the Daily Star news paper I'm reading. Also, I'm practicing. But back in 2023, I was started my first video about a cauliflower. That time it wasn't good, its sound wasn't good, but I'm trying. But to upload it into my Facebook pages, that time I feel no, it's not good language, it's not good English because the world is going. That's why I am trying to going. So that Back in 2022 or 2024, within 2 years, I'm trying to English speak like over the phone communication. My friend, my colleague, my university's friend. I'm trying to speak English. That time I feel I can speak English but not fluent because fluency comes from practice. Learn first then fluency. Try to fluency. This is a very simple method. Somehow nowadays later or some days later I can speak English, but even mistake. I hope that you are trying to do new thing. So mistake and learning, this is very same phrases. You will mistake also you will learn. That is simple method. But don't stop your learning. Don't stop your growth. If you stop, your dream will stop. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content, and I strongly believe that this content will be very helpful for your English learning. And also I strongly believe that you will information about my journey. See you very soon with another content.